Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 13.3 inches portable monitor that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up and working in a few seconds. But the bottom line is this one is, number one, super compact, as I was telling you before, 13.3 inches. So you can see that it's really compact, yet super powerful and versatile, because this one is a 2.5K resolution portable monitor. So this is not only really good to use it as a separate home office. If you want home office portable monitor, take it with you to work or doing some productivity as well, since it's super compact, so you can take it with you on traveling or just like vacations or things like that. But also because of the resolution, the 2.5K, it's also really good for gaming console. For example, a PS4, PS5, you can actually connect this one via many of the cables that come with. For example, comes with instruction manuals. Of course, you're not gonna need it. This thing is super easy to use. It also comes with the power outlet, which is a USB-C cable, and then it comes with 3 cables. Today we're going to use the HDMI to HDMI. It's actually mini HDMI to HDMI, and then you also have the USB-A to USB-C and the USB-C to USB-C. Today we're going to connect it with the HDMI right now. So as you can see over here, I have my laptop connected with the HDMI already on this end. The monitor is already plugged. I do like the fact that comes with this. This is also a cover, but also a stand. So you can actually put it with a magnet on the back and actually use 2 different type of stands right here. This is gonna put it a little bit more slanted, and this one is actually the one that you're gonna use the most, I believe. And then we're gonna actually connect this one, which is already connected with my laptop. We're going to connect the other HDMI end right here. Let's actually wait for a few seconds. Just right here. And then after a few seconds, this is going to start like flickering or something like that. Just waiting for the connection, which is going to take a few seconds. And that's it. These 2 are already duplicated, but of course we can extend this one and use this one as the main monitor, or use this one as the main monitor. Just take Windows and other tabs and other applications in this one instead of just duplicating them. But as you can see over here, I actually wanted to duplicate this one because I want to show you that this one, the portable monitor right here, it's a little bit more colorful, a little bit more crispy than my gaming laptop, because this one comes with HDR capabilities. So it's gonna be more bright. It's gonna be it's gonna have actually more colors. It's gonna have a little bit of more contrast. And also, as you can hear right now that I'm gonna put my microphone over here, this one comes with a speaker as well. And of course, it also comes with some other features, like for example, the menu that you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, change the mode, adjust the HDR, and some other things. Remember, this one is a 13.3 inches, really good for traveling and also good for console, since this one is a 2.5K resolution monitor. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.